So research phases in mass media. In phase one of research, there is an interest in the medium itself. And what is it and how does it work? What technology does it involve? How is it similar to or different from what we have already done? What functions or service does it provide? Who will have access to the new medium? Phase 2. Research begins once medium is developed. In this phase, specific information is accumulated about the users of the medium. How do people use the medium in real life? Do they use it for information only to save time, for entertainment, or for some other reasons? Do children use it? Do adults use it? What gratification does the new medium provide? What other types of information and entertainment does the new medium replace? Where the original projections about the use of the medium. What uses are evident other than those that were predicted from initial research. Phase 3 that includes investigation of the social, psychological, physical effects of the medium. So it is a social, psychological, physical effects of the medium. Does it change people's perspectives about anything? What do the users of the medium want? Do they expect to hear or see? Are there any harmful effects related to using the medium? In what way, if anyone, does the medium help people? Can the medium be combined with other media technology to make it even more useful? In fourth phase, research is conducted to determine how the medium can be improved either in its use or through technological developments. Can the medium provide information or entertainment to more types of people? How can new technology be used to perfect or enhance the sight or sound of the medium? Is there a way to change content to be more valuable or entertaining? It is not intended to suggest that the research phases are linear. When the phase is over, it is never considered again. So once a medium is developed and established, research may be conducted simultaneously in all four phases. For example, television has been around forever and handheld device. Decades, researchers continue to investigate the medium itself. Satellite delivered digital audio, uses of TV, pay-per-view programming, TV on computers, effects, violent programming, improvements, plasma TV.